Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Trax LS. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, your back tinted windows, and 16-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating, jet black with a tan lining and a design throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we do have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.